Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video I am going to show you some Cottagecore inspired home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Cottagecore is a design style inspired by slow countryside living. Think cozy cottages, wildflowers, handmade items, and soft natural textures. It celebrates nature, handmade crafts, vintage charm, soft romantic details, a peaceful, slow lifestyle. Here are some practical Cottagecore inspired home decor tips. Start with soft layering. Layering creates that dreamy cottage feeling. Use lace table runners. Add crochet drawers on sofas. Layer floral bedsheets with coils. Place soft cotton cushions on wooden chairs. Decorate with oil flowers, real or dried. You don't need expensive flowers. Use dried grass, oiled leaves, garden flowers, even simple roadside blooms. Place them in ceramic mugs, vintage teapots, glass jars, clay vases. Use distressed or natural wood. Avoid shiny modern furniture. Choose light wooden stools, rustic side tables, open wooden shelves, vintage wooden trays. Choose warm lighting only. Cottagecore never uses harsh white light. Use warm fairy lights, table lamps, lantern-style lights, candles and vintage holders. Add oven storage baskets. Use baskets for blanket storage, plant holders, magazine holders, kitchen vegetable storage. Bring nature indoors. Place small potted plants, hanging herbs in the kitchen, indoor fans near windows, dried flower wreaths on walls. Use vintage books as decor. Stack old books on coffee tables, windowsills, bedside tables. Tie them with jute rope for a rustic look. Decorate with cottage kitchen items. Keep wooden spoons in jars, ceramic bowls on shelves, hanging cups, linen napkins. Functional items become decorative pieces. Use floral curtains or fabric. Choose cotton floral curtains, linen tablecloths, soft printed cushion covers. Delicate patterns work best. Create story corners. Instead of decorating everything, create small storytelling spots. Example, a wooden chair, a folded linen shawl, a stack of old books, a teeny vase with wildflowers. Add vintage-inspired wall details. Try botanical prints in thin wooden frames. Pressed flower frames, antique style wall clocks, small wooden shelves with tiny decor pieces. Choose antique style mirrors, an old style mirror with a slightly distressed frame. Makes small rooms feel bigger. Reflects natural light beautifully. Adds instant vintage charm. Style open kitchen shelves beautifully. Arrange ceramic plates vertically. Keep clusters with grains. Hang dried herbs. Add a small potted plant. Use earthy decorative objects. Add small natural items. Pine cones in a bowl. Dried wheat bundles. Clay pots. Handmade pottery. Embrace imperfection. Cottagecore is not modern perfect. Allow slightly wrinkled linen, faded paint, uneven handmade items, softly etched metal. Focus on natural light. Open windows during daytime. Let sunlight fall on wooden floors. Highlight lace curtains. Create shadows through patterns. Use soft scent elements. Cottagecore is not only visual, it's sensory. Add lavender sachets, dried rose petals in bowls, cinnamon sticks in glass jars, handmade scented candles. Cover modern furniture with fabric. If your furniture looks too modern, drape a lace cloth over tables. Use linen slipcovers for chairs. Place crochet straws over sofa arms. Use floral or nature-inspired artwork. Choose wildflower sketches, leaf illustrations, soft watercolor landscapes, botanical drawings. Thin wooden frames work best. Use glass jars for storage. Store sugar, rice, lentils, dried herbs, tea leaves. Create a mini indoor garden corner. Place together small clay pots, hanging plant, a wooden stool, a watering can. Decorate with wooden trays. Use trays to hold candles, books, flower vase, tea cups. Place on bedside tables, coffee table, kitchen counter. Hang handmade textile decor. Try hanging crochet wall hangings, embroidery hoops, macrame pages, handmade fabric garlands. Nighttime cozy styling. At night, turn on warm fairy lights. Light a candle. Close soft curtains. Place a book on the bed. Use soft curtain tie bags. Instead of modern holders, use jute rope, lace ribbon, crochet bands, fabric flower ties. A tea time display corner. Style a small tray with teapot, tea cups, a linen napkin, a tiny floral vase, wooden spoons. Style windowsills. Place on windowsills small potted herbs, vintage books, ceramic figurines, mini clay jars, a candle holder. Add fabric table runners everywhere. Use runners on dining table, bed foot, dresser, coffee table, kitchen counter. Choose floral, cotton, or lace. Mix candle heights. Use tall candle stands, small tail heights, medium pillar candles. Cluster them in groups of three for visual harmony. Seasonal decor rotation. Change small things by season. Summer, fresh flowers, light cotton fabrics. Autumn, pine cones, dried leaves, warm blankets. In winter, chunky crochet drawers, soft wool cushions. Add cloth-lined baskets. Line baskets with floral fabric, checkered cotton, soft linen. Use for yarn, towels, vegetables, or books. Use handwritten notes as decor. Frame recipes, cards, letters, grocery lists. Handwritten adds emotional warmth, something you love in vintage cottage styling. Use hanging herb bundles, hang mint, lavender, rosemary, dried leaves from kitchen shelves or wall pegs for a rustic farmhouse touch. Use wooden cutting boards as display. Lay them against kitchen backsplash, shelf walls, counter corners. Different shapes create visual texture. Add small floral prints on furniture. Use floral cushion covers, printed seat pads, fabric covered stools. Soft patterns warm up wooden furniture. Use bedside lantern light. Instead of modern lamps, use vintage style lanterns, warm prairie light jars. Perfect for nighttime Cottagecore mode. Thanks for watching the video.